Alright, boys. Unfortunate trade today. I already fucking recorded it. Let me just go back. The screen wasn't fucking working, but here we go. I entered long. Obviously, bias was bullish for me. We had draws, all of these draws on NAS. Price broke 5-minute structure. Then we got one retrace. So we inverted this 1-minute gap here to the downside, which counts as our 5-minute retrace, and then we closed above the highs right here on this candle, entered there. We broke structure on ES as well. I don't know where it is, but we did, and then reset the account. We came back down for deeper retrace in the equilibrium. I was like, even better. Inverse right back to the upside, got the confirmation on both indexes, entered long and stopped up. Main thing to take away here is price just didn't want to deliver, and we're still dumping. I'm gonna go ahead and continue backtesting. That was just such an unfortunate day, boys. Like, fucking reset the account and take another loss. That's just great. Today's a CPI day, I can already tell. Non-farm. Not gonna trade today, most likely. Yeah. Next day. Three. 1800. So that's on May 5th, 2025. 3. 1800. Monday, so we have 10 a.m. news, swept Asia lows, high time frame downtrend. Yo, why aren't we loading? Come on, fix replay. Come on, man. Come on, man. Of course, boys, I fucking backtested 2 months not on recording and did OD profitable. I wish it was on recording, but it was not. So we have a bullish SMT of London lows as well. ES is leading. Yeah, this looks great for longs. But we also have a bullish SMT here. So let's get a little retracement. This is the most beautiful shit I've ever seen. Just wait for that inversion. Man, technically we inversed. Where's the high? So we have London high, Asia high. Inversed here. Like, I wouldn't want to put stops all the way. We'll just wait for like a real closure. There we go. That's even better. Filling this 1-minute gap. Let's just wait for ES to inverse back to the upside, and then I'll enter. Beautiful people. Beautiful, beautiful. Long that bitch, fucking. Why did I wait? Well, 1, I didn't like the RR. And 2, ES wasn't super convincing on what was I going off of? Oh, this inverse here. The fact that we didn't inverse that gap either. Whatever, this is a better setup anyway. So high time frame bias, 5 minutes. Are they aligned? I mean, yeah, we're bullish, took all these lows, bullish SMT, then took this low, bullish SMT, then 1-minute break with highs above. 1 minutes are aligned, yes, check. Liquidity sweep, yes. Towards strong draws, yes. Yes. Actually, I'm gonna put stops at the SMT low. Just because we're holding that 1-minute gap. And I think price could just come down for one more sweep. Womp womp, that's a worse RR. just rather have a better protected stop. See, we really could have just put stops there. You know, this is like teaching me something about the RR that I don't. We already broke structure. I didn't really need that. Already broke structure. Had strong bias. To move higher. Did not need that tight of stop loss. This is my April, this was my May, and then let's go to, or that was my, what's before May? March? No, this is my May. You're magical, miracle, you are, and I want you to know, baby, I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. So, what beta? What beta? What are you doing? What are you doing? Can you please? Come on, beta. Fucking marry. Fucking hell, beta. That's all I want you to do. What do I pay for you for? What do I pay for you for? You magical miracle. So we have a swing low to the downside. We're obviously trending bearish. And market opens. We come up, take these highs, fill some imbalance, maybe. Nah, we didn't, but we swept the highs. So we got to reverse back to the downside. We made a bearish SMT potentially off that high. If we reverse, I don't know why we would want to be bullish though. Are these equal? Very relative equal. We'll pay attention to what happens off of this gap. We do have a couple highs above, but I mean, I'd much rather trade at the higher time frame trend. Let's see if we want to invert. We're already coming down deep retrace. Beautiful. Close, inverse there, inverse there. Let's get a retrace. Retrace. Up. Fuck. Okay, we took the draw. Did we take the draw? Yeah, we still took it. Let's see if we want to reverse off of this. And we did, just leaving absolutely no entry. And really the strong draws are gone, especially trading in this higher time frame bearish trend. I wouldn't want to dabble in it. Yeah. Next day. Wade in the water. 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 You're magical. So we swept out Asia lows. We have a bunch of stack draws to the upside. That made a bullish SMT that I doubt if we reverse on the 5 minute, there's no fucking way that price will want to revisit that. We reverse on the 5 minute. 5 minutes now align. Broke structure on the 1 minute. Now we're just waiting for a 1 minute break to the upside. And made another SMT. This looks beautiful if we can inverse or break. Okay. Hammered in. Oh shit. That sucks that this is. I mean, this is like high probability of reversing off this gap, so I'll go break even there, target London and Asia highs. Or London this high. This high. Yeah, I'll just go break even at this high and then target the other, because this is my exact setup. This is great. And obviously we're leading on ES. Hopefully we just bull run through that shit. Most likely gonna get break even though. Break even there. Probably gonna get stopped here, but I'm not gonna take profits at fucking no man's land, you know? If we continue higher here and we get another setup, then I'll be definitely open to re-entering. Okay, we broke there. Still probably not gonna enter this bitch. I mean, it doesn't look that great. Yeah, I don't like it. Would have got stopped. Good trade, just got a late entry. Just got a late entry once the 1 minute time frames aligned, went break even at my main draw. That gave a 0.3 RR. Yeah. Still gonna take it though. Like if I see an obvious draw, obviously I'm gonna fucking take it, dude. And just go break even and pray we bull run, you know? Because why the fuck wouldn't I? Because at this point, bro, it's like, if I'm super confident a draw is going to get taken, especially when we're that close to it, why wouldn't I just take the trade, go break even? Okay, price is dumping. Can this fucking site stop doing this bullshit? Wow. Wow. 1 hour, so relative equal, 4 hour, relative equal. Higher time frames bullish. We're in a 4 hour gap right now. We're trending super bearish here. We did come off a sweep of London lows. Let's see. I don't expect price to come all the way down here to that draw, because that's pretty damn far away. So let's see if we can get a reversal here. We got the inversion of the 5. Not strong though. Like what am I supposed to target here though? Like fucking this, dude? Fucking hell, mate. That's fucking 150 points away. Okay, if we're gonna keep showing this though, we're getting the retracements. We broke below the low that we inversed. We have to do is break 1 minute structure. Alright, yeah, this PA looks dick. So we came up, inverse the gap again. We do have an SMT though. I mean, I think we're gonna go lower now, but okay. Still potential for an entry here. Okay. Okay, filling the EQ. Let's reverse now. Reverse, yeah. It's toast, boys. Only have traded once this week, I think. Or twice. But like the one didn't fucking count. So, kind of in this consolidation on the hourly, but we are trending bullish to an extent. relative equal hourly highs here. I mean, I'm bullish until proven wrong. We have a data high as well. Broke 5-minute structure. Still in 5-minute. No, we inversed 5 there. We took the data high, which is a little bit worrisome. This is definitely a CPI. Nope. Friday, May 9th. What is this then? Not a data high. Broke structure to the downside. Need to see price. Okay, we confirmed an inverse here. We made an SMT off these lows. Yes, this looks good now. Let's pump a little higher, get a retrace in the 5-minute. Did we break? Yes, we broke there. Let's just wait for a break to the upside here. There we go. We got the break. Not sure if NAS broke. Let's just wait for a closure above this high then. Okay, what? What the fuck? Like, now we're gonna inverse that 5 to the downside. Good thing we waited for that 1-minute confirmation. Cause I would have gotten fucking railed. Like, brother, why aren't we rotating higher? There's a rotation higher. There's the break on both indexes. Hammer the line. Bang, enter, bang, TP, bang. 1, 2, 3.86. Risk to reward. Could even widen stops down here. And my camera was off this whole time. Thanks for telling me, guys. Like, genuinely thanks. Perfect. Could play out late. Why would I take a late trade? Reversal of hopes and dreams. Reversal of hopes and dreams. Yeah, we're getting a reversal. We're getting a reversal. And stopped out. Good thing I didn't take it. Okay, 2 trades that week. Fuck this week. Fuck this price action, dude. Give us an entry. Three, where's 3? 3. 1800. Fuck. Okay, there we go. High time frame trading bullish. What news do we have today? Monday, Trump speaks. That's not good. Reversing, sweeping at the highs. Let's get a reversal right here, because that would be perfect. Yes, 5-minute inversion or 5-minute high price in. 5-minute high price in. We broke here. Now let's reverse on the 1-minute right now through this 1-minute gap. Strong displacement. Why are we so choppy? Not sure. Yeah, market's way too slow for me to want to take this. Like, or it's not that slow, but like, what is this dumper off open? Yeah, fuck this, dude, again. We're just not volatile enough. We broke there, we're retracing. Yeah, fuck. Another no trade day? Really? Okay, I mean, this could be a long, but like, fuck no. This could also be a long, but like, fuck no. Well, we didn't inverse on ES. Still didn't inverse. There we go, we inversed. Let me see. Let me just check, because I actually might take this. Broke 5-minute structure. Held this. Retraced into a 5-minute gap. Protected stop. Relative equal highs up here. Higher time frames. Keen in. Bullish. Don't have any draws to the downside. It is a no news Monday. Market is pretty slow. And we have a 1-minute gap up here, so I'll just wait. Maybe we'll get the confirmation we need. We broke there. Still got, fuck this. Sweep of the highs. Trending higher though, we have a daily high. Fuck, sorry boys. Excuse me. Lots of 4-hour highs above. I'll be back after shit. Guess who's back? Back again. Oh. Alright. Where are we? I don't fucking know, Loki. I don't even know, Loki. What? I don't even remember marking this shit out. What is happening? So we're trending higher. We have a bunch of highs above. And we got, what? Did we get a manipulation? We got the, let's get a retrace and then we'll target that data high. Come on, lower, 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 lower. Did we break? We inversed that 1 minute, but we also, wait, 1 minute below, is that a 1 minute? Yeah, definitely is. Nas already took the data high. Inverted that gap close above all these highs. Oh yeah, and we broke there, broke back to the ups. Yeah, this looks great. So we got high time frame bias, SMT, freaking daily high above. Let me zoom out. Daily high above. Yep. Awesome, awesome, awesome. 5 minute retrace, good time frame bias, 5 minute change, 5 minute retrace, enter, enter, enter. How far are we though? We'll get see when we mark this shit out. Not far at all. And then we also have a 1 minute SMT. I'll just set stops at that 1 minute SMT low. What day is it? Tuesday, 13th. CPI. But we have volatility. So we have volatility. The fact that we just have a daily high above really fucking makes you want to trade up here. Got all the confluences. Boys, like, this is an A+ setup. Kinda take it. If we get stopped, it's because CPI.
Do you want to go to Target with me?
I'm Gucci.
Huh?
I'm good. Rip, take profit there. The reason I entered on CPI, so first off, A+ setup. Entered on a CPI day because we were clearly trending higher with a strong daily draw above and got the A+ setup. So we had volatility. Usually on CPI we don't have volatility. Usually on CPI we don't have strong draws to the upside. Usually it's just a rip, and then yeah. No, I'm not playing on my phone. I'm taking care of business. So potential bearish SMT, Still have it though. Higher time frame's bullish. We broke. Yeah, fuck that bullish shit. Let's see. Okay, actually, we're about to inverse. Or we did inverse, but we're taking these draws out at the same time. We'll just see what price wants to do in it. I mean, dog, I'm going to enter this. Why? Because we have this bearish SMT. We swept out these highs. We got confirmed orders. We're in a super bearish trend, and then we have this low right below us after breaking the upside and then inversing right to the downside. Another A plus setup. We'll just take it for a 1-to-1. Clear our time for bias. No, not clear. Not clearly bearish, but we're so close to these lows. We have a high time frame SMT. The 5 minutes are aligned. We got a retrace that broke 1 minute structure, and then we inverse 1 minute to the downside on both. There should be. Wait, let me check one more thing. Where's NASDAQ? Okay, we didn't take out those lows yet. Okay, we got stopped. This could just be a 5 minute retrace on the gap. We're starting to chop. That was a news candle. Broke structure. Filled this gap. Didn't break there. Still didn't break. I think the draw gets hit, but I mean, we hit the draw. Yeah, that was a good setup. I mean, nothing I could do about that one. Good setup. Just one of those for the statistic books. Could have waited for a deeper retrace, but did not need it. Fuck. PP, a lot of news today, all at 8:30, so swept out all these 4-hour lows here, filling the 4-hour gap, and then we're starting rotation higher. Broke hourly structure. Definitely bullish here. We did already take this high on ES. Yeah, have a couple more highs, still good targets. Yeah, I mean, I'm bullish here for show, man. For show. Market opens bullish. Let's get a sweep of these lows. Got the sweep, filled a 5 minute. All I'm waiting for is a 1 minute inverse here. Let's get that movement. So we inverted, we broke. Didn't break here, unfortunately, so we'll have to wait. Wow. The amount of times that I would have gotten stopped because the 1 minute's not aligning is crazy. So now we have an SMT here. Let's see if we want to break. So we broke 5 minute structure on both, so now it's going to be a little tough. Still have our draws on the DAC. Okay, here's the entry. And I'll explain. In a minute. So we have our draws on NASDAQ. We came down. Price filled a 5-minute gap there. And then we retraced here, sucked out the 5-minute low. It's a bit choppy, but we have this high time frame SMT off of this 15-minute low here. We're in 5-minute bullish order flow after breaking, retrace, 1-minute break on both. I mean, it looks pretty good for a long position. Let's go through clear out time frame buys. Hold on. Let's go through. Obviously, we're bull running. We have all these draws. The upside liquidity sweep. Yes, we got that 15-minute. FEG fill / okay, we filled the equilibrium. Towards strong draws. Yes. 5-minute change. Yes. 5-minute retrace. Yes. 1-minute confirmation. Yes. Shop work. No. Thursday. We had all this news. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. Shave. And stopped out. And price delivered all the draws. I mean, I think that's just another statistic. Okay, the 5-minute was a bit choppy, actually. I should have set stops wider. Should have set stops wider on that setup because the 5-minute was completely chop, and the only thing really holding up the bias and direction was the SMT. All good though. Still a good trade, I would say. So potential bearish SMT market opens lower. So we broke. We didn't. We inversely broke here. We have a couple draws to the downside. Only thing, we're in this hourly gap, and we just swept liquidity. So we're really, again, this is another one of those where we'll have to just pay attention to what the market gives us. Right now I'm bearish, but I'm really just gonna we never broke to the upside. Swept out these highs. We did break, but I'm not too worried about it. It wasn't a strong break at all. Low-key some chop work. That was 10 a.m. news there. This is fucking chop work. Hold. I don't like this shit at all. Can we fucking... Dude, this shit's ass. Look at this barcode. Holy damn, dude. And we just got all our draws. Unfortunate. Ended that week unprofitable, I think. Yep. All good. Swept up that low, swept out this low, no. So bullish SMT there. Market opens higher. Let's see if we retrace. I'm bullish, obviously, and we're not getting a retrace. Nice. Fuck this shit. Dude, why are we printing so fucking bullish, man? So like, just throw on a couple things. I mean, dude, like, could have had a potential entry after the closure right here. So this could have been something. Reason I wouldn't take it is because we're already so overextended. I've seen, yeah. Left a 5-minute gap, so let's see if we want to inverse this on this movement. Yeah, we held it multiple times. This looks like shit. Do I think price might want to deliver? Potentially. So this could be an entry. Way too late though, so long it right there. And it would have worked. Doesn't matter, that was ass. Dude. This market. We don't have any other draws to the downside. I mean, boys, are you seeing this as well? It's like, why is the market so choppy, man? Like, what is this shit, dude? I went to the wrong fucking day, dude. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, back in the bit. I actually think the market just dumped. I think we already saw it. Let's see if we would get an entry though. I mean, we're obviously bearish. We have a swing low to the downside. Same swing low there. I mean, we could. I saw market dumped, obviously. So, what? How did market just skip to that shit, dude? Still looking for an entry. So, actually, I would actually be looking at these highs here. So we already took them there. So now I'm expecting price to come down because We already took all these highs. The next draws are pretty high up there. Let's see if we want to invert a 5 or break 5-minute structure. Dude, this shit looks ass again. Broke 5-minute structure. No. Fuck this, dude. What is happening with price, bro? I mean, the way I look at this shit, though, is we swept the Asia lows. We're filling a 15-minute. Let's see if we get a reversal. We got the reversal. We broke structure. Let's get a retrace. Keep in mind we just took this. What?
I don't know it either. Can you try a couple? Do you know my password to the
Discount tire?
to make an appointment?
Why the hell would I know that, dude?
Okay, just reset it, Ella. Go to the store with your phone.
Okay.
Your sister and you.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to dollar store if you want me to get you a card.
Yes, can you? Thank you. Fuck. Literally PMO, dude. Stop fucking distracting me. Broke. Retraced. Not a good enough retrace, though. That's a good enough retrace. Let me go back because I missed the entries. No SMT. I could low-key just trail wide ass stops here. Target. Swing low. Swing low. So let's go through. Clear high time frame buys. Yeah, I mean we swept out these highs, swept out that high. Reversing. 5 minutes are aligned. Liquidity sweep. Yeah, we swept out these, reversed, retraced, broke. I'm gonna retrace, yes, I'm gonna confirmation on both. Yeah, I mean, this shit looks beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Shika, shika. If you wanna be my lover, gotta be one of my. I mean, when I set stops where the trade idea gets invalidated. I don't like how there's a bunch of relative 1 minute equal highs and this wasn't a deep retrace, but take what I can get. Dump, 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 dump. You gotta be kidding. Wasn't even. Fuck, that was a 5 minute low there. Yo, did we take it on? No, we didn't take it on ES either. Fuck me, dude. Fuck me. Filled the 15 minute though. I still expect price to come down, dude. Ugh. We were so... What an edge, dude. What an edge, genuinely. Got edged. A little bit of a later trade. So, here we go. Actually, 3 stars. Low-key, a bit choppy, and later. I didn't even read off the chop work one, but this is chop work. Why am I entering a trade there? I don't No, and how did we get edged like that, dude? Break even on the month. Market has just been ass. No draws to the downside whatsoever, or to the upside. Clear high time frame bias is bearish. Like, what is there to trade towards, dude? Genuinely. It's now getting so late. Ugh, fuck this shit. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. Literally, completely, like, fucking annoyed right now. Okay. Monday, bank holiday. No trades. Never close enough to Asia session. Again, no high time frame draws. I mean, this is the next draw, dude. Are you fucking serious right now? Do a London high, I guess. What? Can this shit stop bugging? Alright, fuck. Fuck you. I'm literally... If this company tries to sponsor me, like, obviously I'll take it, but, like... Got some very good, annoying recommendations for them. Like, stop making your site bug out every fucking day. How about that? Getting a retrace. Let's see if we want to continue higher here. Or let's see if we want to reverse higher here or continue lower. I mean, I low-key like the reversal higher. Just because the higher time frame bias aligns with that. Please give us a retrace. Please give us a retrace. Fuck, dude. Like, it's just such few trades. Okay, we're reversing. Had to click a little faster because this PA was pissing me off. Swept out all those highs. Alright, if we don't want to be bearish, I don't know what the fuck else to say. Okay, now we're entering such chop work. Like, how do we get a We're like not getting any volatile pushes, dude. What is this? Are you fucking serious right now with this market? Today has to be a bank holiday. Like, you gotta be kidding. There we go, some volatile pushes, about time, dude. Perfect. And we got this SMT here. Short position, hammer at wider stops. Beautiful. Beautiful. Asia lows. Fuck, my monitor turned off, so I was trying to look at the OBS bullshit. Okay, so let's take a look at the checklist. Clear out time frame bias. Yeah, we're dumping. We got manipulation here. We got a reversal. Okay, so we got manipulation, pre-market reversal, came up, filled, I guess, equilibrium. Yeah, we filled EQ on NQ, and then we filled this 5 minute here, and then we broke 1 minute structure, made a 1 minute SMT, filled this 1 minute gap, closed below it. I'll just take the 1 to 1.6. Come on, smack. If we don't smack this shit, I will crash out. Oh my god, please come back down. There's no way, dude. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. What the fuck? There's no way we priced in that relative equal below. And we would have smacked 2 take profits. But I'll take my 1 to 1.6. A plus setup. Literally left relative. Equal lows. And then almost did not. Good trade though. Can you stop fucking trading off? Okay, 2 more days left. This has been like a really low trading month. Just cause like, right in this fucking, yo. That was a Thursday? I swear it's cause that's Saturday. Can you please skip to where I need to go? Gosh darn it. And there it is. And then we fucking skip 2 days. Nice. Nice. No, we didn't. Perfect. Oh, I fucking hate this shit. It's 2:11. 9:30. Fuck. 9:30. 3, 1800, swept all the lows. First, highs above. We're bull. We're a bull, not a bear. We're a bull, not a bear. We're barely profitable this month, dude. Came down, swept out the. I was gonna say. Let's get a reversal on his head or dump on his head. Still, let's get a reversal here. We'll break structure on ES, not NQ. Price in the high. Let's get a retrace. Retrace, please. Retrace. 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 This is chop or accumulation. Let's retrace, dude. Let me go back one candle. I mean, it's low-key chop. We got an SMT. We inverted to the downside. Then we closed above these highs. How close are we to relative? The draws are really strong. The draws are really strong. Broke out. There wasn't a clear high time frame bias, but then we broke out of it. We have all of these highs above. Oh, but we're low key like. Already gonna end up hitting them. Of course, man. Of course, dog. Yeah, I mean, I'll enter this, go break even once we take the first high. We got all the things clear. It's at 500 minutes our line. We got this liquidity sweep. We got the change in order flow. We got 5-minute retrace, 1-minute confirmation on both indexes. A little bit of chop work, but fuck. The draws are so strong up there, dude. Friday, May 30th. Fuck! I can't keep trading in this chop. What am I doing? I'm such an idiot for this shit. Traded in chop. Okay, that month was so dick. Oh, jeez, dude. Traded in chop. That month was dick. We literally didn't even end profitable, I don't think. 62% win rate, 1.07 risk to reward. We did barely end profitable. Everything else looks pretty good. Yeah, boys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.